your creation!
Is this the power of a god?
Whoa, this is way out of our league.
Never quit without even trying. Always do something.
Who would have guessed that fence-sitter lad? He's become quite a capable shinobi. But now, just what are you going to do about the second one, Onoki?